They are relatively new green infrastructure technique that uses native vegetation to create stabilized environments that prevent erosion from occurring. My name is Kofi Fynn-Aikins, and I'm a retired manager of the United States Fish and Wildlife Service. So living shorelines are protected and stabilized areas that are made up of natural materials like plants, rocks, and sand. So they provide some significant ecosystem benefits to aquatic species. One, they stabilize shoreline habitat by reducing erosion. Two, they absorb storm energy and then prevent erosion rates in the shorelines. Three, they clean up water quality by filtering pollutants as well as nutrients from upland runoffs. They also create necessary areas as well as good feeding habitats for freshwater fish. To create hard structures like seawalls, you have to remove aquatic vegetation. And when you remove the aquatic vegetation, it destroys the ecosystem, and critters like insects, snails, and shrimps that live off of the vegetation, they disappear. And once they disappear, the ecosystem is no longer resilient, diversity shrinks, and fish that feed off of the insects and shrimp also disappear from shoreline area. So if you're interested in learning more about shoreline restoration project, living shoreline restoration projects, check one out at the Hyde Park, Niagara Falls, New York.